Hey everyone, welcome to Financify. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly find your Safepal wallet address on mobile. Let's get right into it. First, open the Safepal app on your mobile device. Once logged in, from the main screen, go to the Wallet tab at the bottom. This will display all your wallet balances and tokens. Look for the cryptocurrency for which you need the address. For example, if it's Bitcoin, tap on BTC or your selected crypto. Once you are in the crypto space, tap Receive. You will see a QR code and the wallet address below it. Tap on the address to copy it to your clipboard. And that's it. You now have your Safepal wallet address ready to use. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.